Nope. Nope. Nah. Close enough. What's up, Tech Mindset here. Today we're unboxing the new iPhone 17 Pro Max. After so many years of the glass sandwich, it's refreshing to see a bit of a redesign in the body. However, it looks like they're taking a page out of the Google playbook by having that visor on the top. However, Apple's using that space to put much of the internal components to have room for a bigger battery, which is appreciated. There's also a vapor chamber this year, which helps to cool the new A19 Pro chip. Funnily enough, my phone came with a speck of dust already loaded on it. I decided to go with the deep blue color because I really liked the iPhone 15 Pro Max blue. Other than the phone, we have a USB-C to C charging cable and a little pamphlet that talks about the eSIM. No more stickers or anything else. Let's take a moment of silence for this beautiful peel. The cameras in the iPhone 17 Pro Max have received a big update as well. 3 48 megapixel cameras and a better zoom. In addition to the new design for thermal performance, this phone also charges faster than previous years, over USB and wireless. Something that I'm really digging on this new model is how rounded it is along the edges. The 16 Pro Max is a little more sharp. Something I was a little disappointed with though is when put on a table, it still wobbles. Next, I'll do some side-by-side comparisons between the iPhone 17 Pro Max and last year's iPhone 16 Pro Max. Not sure how well it comes through, but you can see how the 17 Pro Max is more rounded along the edges compared to the 16 Pro Max. Nope. 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 Okay, whatever. I decided to go with the blue Apple case this year. Something I'm not sure how I feel about yet is how much space there is on the back with that cutout. I've been hearing that the new iPhones scratch easier, so I'm a little concerned if I'm going to have a bunch of scratches through that cutout. Also, because of the new design, you can see how the Apple logo is lower on the back of the phone compared to where it would normally be on the case. I was a little unsure about going with another Apple case. We can see that last year's version started cracking along the corners. On the front, there's a new center stage front camera that has a square sensor that allows selfies to be portrait or landscape. I'll power it up real quick and you can see the new hello screen of the new liquid glass of iOS 26. Oh, one more thing. Along the top edge of the phone, Apple has reintroduced the millimeter wave 5G window so that the signal can pass through. All in all, pretty cool. Can't wait to dive in and test out the camera. If there's anything you'd like to see me test with the phone, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you'd like to see other videos on my channel, check out this video that YouTube thinks you'll really like.